mapping, my mind mapping. This is my mind mapping. The first in my childhood, new born. I like playing a paper, and then or I like for white paper. You can focus. You can focus. You must focus about point blank. Point blank. Yes. And then science. But yes. But science 20 and 10. I have failed. About I was given 100 rupiah for my parents until in my elementary school until 6th grade. Yes, this is my unforgettable moment. And then you can see I am from simple family, and my mother just in my home, and my father worked driver and then beside court in leader village, but this is not important. So until sixth grade in elementary school, I just given for my parents 100 rupiah. You know money. This is this is money. Yes. And then after that, I continued to junior high school after graduate in elementary, and then I continued to senior high school in the Islamic boarding school in Alamin Perenjuan first, and second I in Anoboya Gulu Sumeneb, and then after this I have many scholarship after I have Islamic boarding school. I have many scholarship. Maybe I remember four scholarship. The first I gave Basnas scholarship, and then KIP. Yes, KIP, and then from local government in the region give me, and then BOMN and BOMN. After this, I get recommendation. I got recommended from my region in local government to continue study in Malang. I graduate bachelor degree in public administration. The first. After that, I got recommendation for my lecture, and then local government sent for continue the master degree in political science and then social science. And 2025 I graduate from my master degree. Thank God I got score 3.9 Kamlan. Yes. After that, until now I work in study center Islamic boarding school and civilization study center. And then after this, I come here for continue study to. Oh no! Before that, I give my parent before the master. I give my parent like this a service to society. Corn machine, and then through tractor. You know tractor. Yeah, tractor. This is for my gift for my parents in my home. This is I get from local government in agriculture. I have project about innovation prototype in public. And then after my degree and my master degree, I wanna after course in here basic course, I wanna continue the course in Oxford University.
Wow.
Yes. I wanna join to political science and social science. And the second, I wanna continue in the University of Melbourne. Yes, I SEM political science because I like political science. And then the minimal target, I wanna continue in University of Indonesia. Yes. Yes. And after this, I wanted to collect a lot of money, maybe $100. Yes, maybe. Amin. Okay. After this, I wanna build company and then business. After this, my friend, M3 or 3M, not $3 million, no. But this is the first I will buy Mustang car, Mustang.
Oh,
Mustang. Yes,
expensive car.
Yes, and then I wanna continue to I will go to Makkah. Yes, and maybe after this I wanna marry.